Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and today just want to bring you this short and quick video about a $20 Xbox controller that I think you should all try before you end up spending hundreds of dollars on a more expensive option like a Razer or a Scuf. This controller is from PowerA and it's called the PowerA Enhanced Xbox Controller. It's only $20. They have some special edition that you can look at on Amazon as well for around 30 bucks. But honestly, even the black or white $20 one is really freaking good. I'm almost inclined to say that it is better than the $60 one that Xbox sells, their standard Xbox controller. And then of course, if you want to spend $150, you can get an Elite, of course, or any other competitive gaming controller. Honestly though, this one gets the basics right. I mean, on the back of it, you've got two buttons that you can remap to any of the face buttons, and it's really easy to do so too. All you do is you hold this middle button down and you can remap those buttons. Super easy. And then the controller is also extremely lightweight as well, and it's plugged in, so you never have to worry about charging it or lag or latency or anything like that. So it is built to really give you a better experience than a wireless controller would, and with the added functionality of having the two buttons on the back that are remappable, that is just really nice. And especially for the price tag too, like I said, it's only 20 bucks. 20 bucks, you cannot go wrong with this thing. You even got the original Xbox thumbsticks, so you can even put control freaks on this controller too to customize it a little bit more to your liking. And then of course you got your headphone jacks, so you can plug in your headphones, gaming headset, whatever you use to game with, and have all your game sound and chat functionality through the headphone port on the bottom of the headset, just like any other regular Xbox controller. It connects via USB micro with the included cable in the box. The included cable is actually really nice. It's pretty thick. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break on you. And then it has a proprietary end to connect to the controller just so it does not slip out. Honestly speaking, if the cord ever breaks, you probably just better off spending another 20 bucks and getting a new one. So I think the cord is gonna last you a long time. I think the controller is actually really good build quality. And then for 20 bucks, if it breaks in a year, all right, you're only out 20 bucks instead of 100, 150, 180, $200 on a Pro controller. Before you go ahead and spend your money on that new Scuf or the new Razer or the new Xbox Elite controller that you've been looking at, spend 20 bucks and see if you like this one. It'll be at your house in 2 days via Amazon. You can go pick it up at the store at Best Buy. And yeah, it just works really well. I'm really surprised that only for $20 you get this really nice controller. And I think you'll be surprised once you get in the hand and you feel the build quality of the controller as well. My only gripe about this controller is actually just the finish that they used on the back is very slippery. That's really the only gripe. But other than that, the build quality is great, and it's a really lightweight controller as well. I've had zero issues so far. But yeah, thanks PowerA for coming out with such an inexpensive, decent option for a nice controller with some added benefits that you'll find in most of the more expensive Pro controllers. So definitely give this one a go. They did a really good job. All right, but thank you guys so much for coming through to the video today. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new as well. Be sure to follow all my socials like my Instagram and my Twitter. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Once again, thank you for checking us out. I'll see you in the next one.